So I've been in Barcelona for exactly 2 hours, about 2.5 hours since I landed, and just getting my bearings straight. Took me, I guess, since the time I landed, got to the rental car. It took me at least a half an hour, 45 minutes to get my rental car. There's a long line for that in the airport. One place I want to go is to the Sagrada Familia Cathedral, which is, actually I can see it right now, about a block that way. I can just see the top of the spire. And yesterday when taking off, I was able to get a ticket to go inside today. So I have a ticket for 5 o'clock. It's 3:15 now, and it was probably a good thing I went ahead and got tickets, because there's only a few left for the day once I went and ordered tickets online, and was actually doing that on the airplane as the airplane was taking off, taxiing to take off and taking off. I just barely got my a ticket in on my way here. That was sort of a last minute decision, and I'm glad I did. So yeah, in about 2 hours I'm gonna go find some place to eat. Didn't eat much on the plane, didn't sleep much on the plane, but I don't feel too tired. But this is my first time in Spain. It's what is it, June, late June, at the end of June, and it's about 80 degrees or so. Warm, but not bad. Nice temperatures, and I can't wait to walk around and explore, find a little place to eat, and go see the cathedral. Walked one more block, and this is what I'm seeing. Look at that. Still have it under construction. Got the cranes going, lifting stuff up in the air. I am eating at the Cathedral. Let's see what I'm going to order. I'm not feeling too adventurous today. Maybe the burger or chicken. But can't beat this view right across the street from the Sagrada Familia. And while I wait for my food to come out, I get a nice view of the cathedral behind me. It's hard to beat that, that's for sure. And this is my lunch. I went with a hamburger and fries, but then I get a nice view of the cathedral to go with it. Beautiful. Casa Angela, across the street from the Sagrada. I just finished my lunch across the street from the Sagrada Familia, and in about 15 minutes, half an hour, I have a ticket to go tour the Sagrada. I can't wait. Looks like it's going to be very pretty on the inside. So out here, there's this park across the street. So I'm just going to walk around the park a little bit, give you a tour of the park. And there's the outhouse if you need one. And the cathedral certainly dominates the landscape here. I like these pine trees over here on this side. Kind of sounds like there's parrots up there. I saw a parrot fly by when I was eating lunch. Nice green bird. I'd love to see one up in the tree. Oh, look at here. Here's a beautiful view. Again, just enjoying the walk around the park. And I keep hearing, sounds like parrots or parakeets up there or something like that. But I can't see them because I think they're on top of the branches and not underneath them. I'm gonna find one sooner or later. They're out here. I can hear them. This is at the park across the street from the Sagrada. Nice place to sit here, get a good view of the cathedral. It's amazing. A lot of people are definitely over here taking videos and pictures of the cathedral. And a beautiful park. That means it is 45 minutes after the hour. Here's somebody getting an old-timey picture in front of the Sagrada. That's pretty cool. You don't see that type of technology being used anymore. Getting some last-minute views in from the outside before I got to go in for my tour in just a few minutes. The park here is pretty busy. Lots of tourists out here taking pictures. Okay, I just realized I've been on the wrong side of the building this whole time. I come around this way, and I guess this is the front of the cathedral. Look at that. It's all in the shadows now because of the sun. Alright, so I made my way through security, had my ticket. It's like going through airport security to get into here. That's okay. Look at the interesting architecture on that. Very different. Definitely very different. Look at the flowers and roses over there on the doors. I'm going to zoom in and get some close-up of the detail so you can appreciate that. Get another view backed up a little bit. Take my time and enjoy it. Here we're overlooking the street in front of the cathedral with the park on that side. This is by the entrance going in. Getting a little detail on this column here right out front. Close up of the door. Look at that. And this is the first view you see when you walk inside. See the light coming in through those windows over there. Light coming in over there. Let's come up and see these. Quick view from the other angle. There's the entrance. There's the windows above the entrance. If you look straight up, you see lights up there. And some balconies. And that stairway kind of around the corner there. Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's get some close-up on some of these windows. Just look at the way the light's coming in on this side. See the light shining in on the wall over there? Pretty amazing. The colors of the orange and red are just amazing. I don't think the camera is doing it justice. I mean, just the way the light's falling in, especially coming in right now, just looks amazing. You just can't stop looking at this. Definitely interesting construction. Look at these balconies and stairs on this side. Got the sun shining in through these windows. A nice beautiful red and orange fades to green on that side. And then if you come around to the other side, then the green turns into blue on this side. This must be the north side of the church, since the sun is coming in on the south side. I just noticed that there's an elevator in here. Must go up to the top of the tower. See where the spiral stairs are on the left? I saw an elevator going to the top. I'm not going to stick around. I'll wait for it to come back down. That space there is room for an elevator as well. You know, I could just sit in here and stand in awe for quite some time. It kind of makes you want to stop and pray and meditate for a little bit. And just thank God for all the blessings in your life. This is where the altar is at. I guess there's an area downstairs too. I did not see that. I guess this is where the crypt is at, down at the bottom. Down there, we got some windows so you can see it from up here. I wonder how to get down there. I'd kind of like to see that. Just a word to the wise. Don't mess around with the security guys here. That security guy behind me, over there, I saw him running towards the roped off area where the, right there, because a child went underneath the ropes, and he quickly ran over there to get in, but the child was smart and got to the other side of the ropes before he got there. But I tell you what, I've never seen a security guard move that fast before. One last parting shot of the cathedral. Again, this is the backside. I'm still trying to get a video of some parrots in here. I saw a green parrot a few minutes ago up in one of the trees, and that flew away. Now I can't find them. But I've seen a couple flying around, but they like to stay pretty well hidden in the trees. And because they're green, they kind of blend in too. There's a green parakeet, or parrot. Finally found one. He sees me looking at him.